Present like a pro with Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, for many of us, public speaking is a real fear, real challenge. Let's show you how Microsoft Presenter Coach is gone. Now give each one of us the confidence to be a great speaker. Well, today, Presenter Coach already helps people become more dynamic speakers, helping you avoid filler words such as, It can also give you a gentle reminder not to simply read off your slide's definition of renewable energy. Renewable energy sources of those produced from natural processes and do not deplete or continually replenish, as you can see here. Fantastic. Or say if you're one of those people who gets really nervous when you get in front of a crowd and you start speaking really quickly simply because you just want to sit down, it can remind you to slow down a bit. And with Microsoft 365, we're only adding more functionality and refinements. For example, monotone pitch detection can help you if you end up speaking on the same level. If I start speaking like this for too long, I could actually bore my audience, and they can lose interest. And now Presenter Coach can actually remind me to add emphasis and vary my pitch. And as I incorporate this feedback, and I start to storytell a bit more dynamically, it can give me positive feedback to keep going. Then finally, when I'm done, it can give me a summary of all the feedback and even things like my pace over time. So how do you think I did? Nicely done, Philip. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching us.